Ever wonder what powers America's obsession with spicy food? From fiery wings to million-dollar hot sauce empires, it all starts with this: over 5.9 billion pounds of red chili peppers grown right here in the USA. But how are they harvested? Where do they go? And why is the whole world buying America's heat? Let's dive into the blazing hot journey of the chili pepper that fuels a billion-dollar industry: the American appetite for heat. America's obsession with spice has skyrocketed in recent years. No longer confined to southern or southwestern cuisines, spicy food is now a national craving. Data from market research firms shows that the hot sauce market in the U.S. is now worth over $4 billion and continues to grow at a rapid pace. What's even more impressive is how red chili peppers have found their way into a wide range of food and beverage products. They're used in condiments, processed meats like spicy jerky and sausages, snacks such as chili lime chips and pepper-coated nuts, ready-made meals, frozen food, and even beverages like spicy margaritas and chili-infused teas. This versatility has made red chili peppers indispensable to both large-scale food producers and artisanal brands, expanding their relevance across all demographics and palates. The regions that grow America's heat. Red chili pepper farming in the U.S. is primarily concentrated in 3 states: New Mexico, California, and Texas. Each of these regions contributes massively to the 5.9 billion pounds produced each year and brings its own unique approach to chili agriculture. New Mexico, particularly the Hatch Valley region, is considered the chili capital of America. Hatch chilies, which are often dried and ground into powder or used fresh in stews and sauces, have achieved near legendary status for their rich, earthy heat. The annual Hatch Chili Festival attracts thousands of visitors and celebrates the region's cultural and economic dependence on the chili harvest. California's Central Valley is another major hub for chili production. Thanks to its fertile soil, long growing season, and favorable climate, the state can grow a wide variety of red chili cultivars, including Fresno, jalapeno ripened to red, cayenne, and paprika peppers. Large agribusinesses dominate here, and many of the peppers grown are destined for industrial food production and export. Meanwhile, Texas maintains a balance of large farms and smaller family-run operations that supply chilies to local markets and specialty food producers. The state's rich Mexican heritage ensures a steady demand for fresh and processed chili products, making it an important player in the national chili economy. From seed to spice, the life cycle of a chili pepper. The journey of a red chili pepper begins with a seed, and that seed is often the product of years of breeding for optimal flavor, heat, and resistance to pests and disease. In early spring, farmers plant chili seeds using mechanized equipment that ensures even spacing and proper depth. Depending on the cultivar, the peppers take anywhere from 70 to 120 days to reach maturity. During this time, the plants grow from tiny seedlings into leafy bushes that eventually produce green fruit. As the chilies ripen on the plant, they gradually turn from green to deep red. This color change is a sign of maturity, increased capsaicin content, the chemical responsible for heat, and improved flavor. Red chilies are generally hotter and more flavorful than their green counterparts, which is why they're so prized in both fresh and dried forms. The ripening process also concentrates sugars and aromatic compounds, making red chilies ideal for everything from powders to sauces. Harvesting a spicy mountain. When it's time to harvest, farmers face the enormous challenge of collecting billions of pounds of chili peppers. While small farms and high-end pepper producers may still harvest by hand to ensure quality, the majority of chili harvesting in the U.S. is now mechanized. Modern chili harvesters are capable of cutting plants, removing the fruit, and loading them into containers all in one pass. These machines drastically reduce labor costs and allow farms to harvest huge fields in just a few days. Once harvested, the peppers are loaded into trucks and transported to nearby processing facilities. Speed is essential here. Freshness affects everything from color and flavor to heat level. Most large farms have contracts with processors that expect delivery within hours of harvest, ensuring that the peppers can be cleaned, sorted, and prepared without losing quality. Processing, turning peppers into profits. At processing plants, red chili peppers are transformed into a dizzying array of products. The first step is usually cleaning and sorting. Peppers are washed to remove dirt and debris and then separated by size, color, and ripeness. From there, the peppers may be dried using sun exposure or industrial dehydrators. Dried peppers are then ground into powder or crushed into flakes for spice blends. Alternatively, fresh peppers are cooked and pureed to make sauces and pastes. Many hot sauces start with a base of cooked red chilies, vinegar, and salt, though some producers add fruit, garlic, or even chocolate for complexity. More industrial uses include extracting capsaicin for use in pharmaceuticals, manufacturing pepper oil, or freezing peppers for use in ready-made meals. Processed chili products are then packaged into bottles, jars, pouches, or cans and shipped to grocery stores, restaurants, and export markets. This industrial system is so efficient that a chili harvested in New Mexico could appear in a jar of hot sauce in New York or a spice blend in Tokyo within just a few weeks. Uses beyond food. While chili peppers are most famous for their culinary applications, they have many uses outside the kitchen. The most significant is in medicine. Capsaicin, the compound that gives chilies their heat, is a proven pain reliever. It's used in topical creams and patches to treat arthritis, nerve pain, and muscle soreness. Pharmaceutical companies extract pure capsaicin from red chilies for these applications. In law enforcement and self-defense, capsaicin is the main ingredient in pepper spray. Agricultural sectors also use chili-based repellents to keep pests and animals away from crops without using harmful chemicals. Even the beauty industry has gotten in on the action, incorporating chili extracts into skincare products designed to stimulate blood flow and reduce cellulite. Hot sauce, a billion-dollar industry? Perhaps the most iconic chili-based product is hot sauce. The American hot sauce market is enormous, with household brands like Tabasco, Cholula, Frank's Red Hot, and Sriracha leading the way. Craft hot sauce producers have also exploded in popularity, offering everything from mild, fruit-infused sauces to mouth-burning concoctions made with ghost peppers and Carolina Reapers. Interestingly, consumer data shows that in some regions of the U.S., hot sauce outsells ketchup. This is more than just a culinary curiosity, it reflects a shift in consumer preferences toward bolder, more adventurous flavors. Restaurants and fast food chains have capitalized on this by offering spicy versions of nearly every menu item, further driving demand for chili peppers. Exporting the heat. The U.S. is not only one of the largest consumers of chili products, it's also a major exporter. The American chili peppers, hot sauces, and spice blends are sent around the globe to countries including Canada, Mexico, Japan, South Korea, and several European nations. Even countries with their own chili traditions import American peppers for their consistency, quality, and unique flavor profiles. These exports contribute significantly to the U.S. agricultural economy. As international demand for spicy food continues to grow, American chili farmers and processors are expanding their operations to meet this global appetite. Family farms and mega operations. Despite the scale of the industry, chili farming in the U.S. isn't solely dominated by large corporations. Many family-owned farms, especially in New Mexico and Texas, continue to play a critical role in chili production. These farms often specialize in heirloom or organic varieties and sell directly to consumers or local markets. At the same time, large agribusinesses run thousands of acres of chili fields and supply major food processors. These megafarms rely heavily on technology, including GPS-guided tractors, drone monitoring, and advanced irrigation systems to optimize yield. Together, small and large farms create a diverse and resilient supply chain that meets the needs of both artisanal and industrial food markets. Measuring the heat, the Scoville scale. Not all chili peppers are created equal. Some are mild, while others can blow your head off. The spiciness of a chili is measured in Scoville heat units, a SACE-U, a scale that quantifies the amount of capsaicin present in the pepper. Red jalapenos typically fall between 2,500 and 8,000 SHU, while cayenne peppers range from 30,000 to 50,000 SHU. Food producers use this scale to control the heat level in their products. Batch testing ensures that sauces and spice blends deliver consistent flavor and spiciness, whether you're eating them in Maine or California. The future of chili in America. Looking ahead, the red chili pepper industry shows no signs of cooling down. Technological advances are making farming more efficient, while consumer demand for spicy food continues to rise. Artificial intelligence and robotics are being introduced to monitor plant health, optimize irrigation, and even assist with harvesting. Vertical farming and hydroponic systems are being explored for year-round indoor chili cultivation. The trend toward organic and locally sourced food is also opening new opportunities for small farms and niche producers. In addition, climate-resilient chili cultivars are being developed to cope with extreme weather conditions caused by climate change, ensuring the industry's long-term sustainability. From dusty fields to fiery plates, red chili peppers aren't just a spice, they're an American legacy. If you loved learning how this tiny fruit drives a massive industry, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more behind-the-scenes stories of the food that fuels the world. Drop your favorite hot sauce in the comments and stay spicy.